Behind every great dining experience is a floor that works just as hard as the kitchen. Epoxy restaurant flooring is built for performance, combining durability with a clean, modern look. It resists stains, grease, and moisture, standing up to heavy foot traffic and constant spills without cracking or peeling. Seamless and non-porous epoxy floors are easy to clean and help maintain the highest hygiene standards. With slip-resistant finishes and customizable colors or designs, epoxy flooring doesn't just protect your space, it elevates it. From prep areas to dining rooms, epoxy flooring delivers strength, safety, and style that last. Shift after shift, service after service.